Thank you, Rosemary. Thank you, Chamber of Commerce. UPS has a long, successful partnership with the Delaware County Chamber of Commerce, and we are very pleased to be honored as the Chamber's Business of the Year by more than 2,000 members. For UPS, the Chamber has been a strategic partner in 3 initiatives: Delaware County Community College, UPS Circle of Honor, and Veterans Pathways to Business. With support from the Chamber, Delaware County Community College provided students the opportunity to secure part-time jobs that work with their class schedules, provide valuable job experience, and provide tuition reimbursement and possible full-time employment at a Fortune 50 company. The Chamber was instrumental in arranging U.S. Congressman Patrick Meehan, who was here earlier this evening, to recognize UPS Circle of Honor drivers. Now, these drivers, these UPS